Sustainability involves creating systems that can last for generations. It means meeting our needs today in a mindful and responsible way without compromising our children's ability to provide for their own needs and enjoy their lives in abundance. And I'm taking you on a journey that started with Alila's integrative design and continues today with Alila Uluwatu's pioneering self-sufficiency efforts. At Alila Uluwatu, we bottle our own water, so we can have more quality control while reducing dramatically the packaging costs and the pollution that comes from bringing that element into our system. The water comes from our own well into a water storage tank, and it flows through a system of pumps, a reversed osmosis treatment, and a series of carbon and sand filters that naturally purify it. Then the water is bottled in our own glass bottles and gallons that had been previously washed and disinfected. Joining us today, Pagrai, head of the housekeeping team, explains more about the distribution system.
After the water has been purified in our system, the bottles and the gallons has been washed and disinfected. Housekeeping team seals with expired date label for every single bottle.
Bottling our own water is one of Alila Uluwatu's efforts to increase our self-sufficiency and reduce our negative footprint. The more self-sufficient that we are, the more sustainable our lives are. Thinking globally but acting locally is key to a more sustainable way of life. Thank you for joining me on another sustainability journey. Next time, we're going to show you another self-sufficiency effort by Alila Uluwatu, our waste management system, where we make sure that no waste that we produce becomes pollution, preserving the beauty of our beloved island of the gods.